Frozen food. English activator. Put something into a freezer at a sufficiently low temperature and it begins to freeze. You're taking a look inside one of the many innovative British English lessons in the British Library. I've designed the lessons to help you activate your English skills in the most engaging and effective way possible. Unlike books, lessons in the British Library are packed with multimedia components that make it impossible not to improve your English skills. Packed with audio-visual material, each lesson is as close as you can get to having private one-to-one English classes with me online without the expense. I add new lessons every week, so you'll never run out of new things to learn. And you can do the lessons on any device, from a computer to a mobile phone. All you need is an internet connection, and I'll personally deliver each lesson to you from the nearest and fastest server to your location. I can promise you that there's no more convenient or cost-effective way to take English classes with me, a real English teacher with a passion for teaching English using the very best available technology. The activators and other features of the lesson are available exclusively in the British Library at Britlish.com. You can enjoy a week's free membership to the British Library and get full, unrestricted access to this and all of the other lessons in the library today. There's no obligation to take out a paid membership, but I'm sure that when you see what incredible value a British Library membership is, you'll join the hundreds of students who are already improving their English skills faster and more conveniently than they ever thought possible. To get your free one-week British Library membership, visit Britlish.com today. I'm sure that you'll agree there's nothing else quite like it anywhere online. The British Library, the best place on the planet to improve your English skills.